welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please remember to like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, and subscribe. I am Shandizzle, and today I am thinking about doing an unboxing. So I ordered something and I'm thinking about doing an unboxing, let you guys see what I ordered and stuff, and then I'm going to try and use it, test it out, so I might record that also. I don't know what else I'm going to record, but I'm just taking you along, so let's go. Hey guys, so guess what, my delivery just came, so I'm about to open. So let's see, let me set you all up somewhere. Don't look at me in that tone of voice. Let me drop. Stop it. That's a bit away, right? Okay, why didn't I use a pen?
She can't even open a simple box.
Can I tell you? You think some on the wrong end? No, it's not the wrong end. It's just the way the box is. Interesting. Right.
Yes, you are opening the wrong end. That's the bottom.
No, both of them stay the same. Oh, I get it. See, I wasn't opening it wrong.
Yes, you were.
Hey. Hello.
And another box.
Another one from you. UBeesize. I think that's how it's.
No, UBeesize.
Anyone. Let's see, y'all. Oh. You see, that's how you should grow your fingernails. And I don't have any. Ooh, it's already in the bag, y'all. It's already in the bag. I'm sorry, I'm excited like a kid on Christmas. Kid on Christmas. Okay, so this is the first thing you see. It's bigger than I remember. So I told you the story in the previous vlog. This gives you all the instructions on what to do or what not to do. I'm like a male sometimes, I don't read instructions. Sometimes.
Nothing more in there.
Alright, this is about the remote. Telling you about the remote.
You get battery with it?
Yeah.
Get extra battery with it?
I'm checking. So you'll see the battery, which is a great bonus because then I don't have to go and search for a battery. It's small, handy, so when you're using it, it doesn't have to be visible. It says iOS or Android, so you can choose which one you're working with.
That's for the Android.
This is for the Android.
Mm-hmm. Just read the thing.
Oh.
Yes. See? It's stretched.
Oh, yeah, like a kid. Yeah. I'm a big kid sometimes. Now let's get down to the... This is so cool. So here is where you put it on And this can be extended, guys, to, there you go. Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it, okay? Winging it. Because as you saw, I've yet to lock it.
So put it on the ground then now.
Yeah, I'm going to do that shortly. I hope your video is properly.
Says the one that has a lot of things in the background.
They don't know it's my office. They don't care. Do you understand? This is not my home. I don't care.
Put it on the ground. Thank you.
I thought it was 4 feet. It's 3. Okay? Yeah. Oh, so this extends how wide it can go, I guess. And this can go 360, so it can spin 360. I'm trying to figure out.
There you go.
Here you go. So I'll check in when I get. No, but it's all set up. It's there. And there you have it. My tripod. So I'm going to check in with you guys when I attach the phone to it. And we'll see how it goes. Keep pause it. Tripod. This is the bag, so let me show you. It is not sponsored or anything. Just want you guys to see. It is the UBeesize whatever. I don't know if it's breezy or breeze or whatever. Anyways, this is it. So I'm using that. I also did an unboxing. So I'm going to show you that clip. I don't know if I'm going to show you before or after this. But yeah. So I like about this tripod, it is lightweight. Now if you know me in person, you know that I always have my handbag and other things with me. And my trailer pan and stuff like that. I always have stuff. And I walk with my cane. And you know it's something I have to hold. But this tripod is so light. It can extend up to 51 inches or something like that. And it can be folded down. It is lightweight. So I'm just going to share it with you guys. I like it. And it comes with a remote control. You can see Android and trying to get this to focus. Android and iOS. So there you go. So it's Bluetooth connect. So if you're using your phone, you can use the Bluetooth. So
another package, guys. Another package.
not for me. Not for me.
And this is our entire room with cables and whatnot out.
Nothing that we can control.
And the curtain, she said it's looked like funeral home.
Yes, it's a funeral home. Don't you see the color?
And then you have the AC, a calendar.
That lizard lives in a very old AC.
This is our table, both back and front.
Don't mind the mess, don't mind.
And remember to purchase her candies.
Yeah, I have chocolate and jello, but the jellos are finished. So right now you have to just.
Don't mind her, I'm just talking on my behalf. Alright, there's a red chair here. And then you have the fire extinguisher above.
That she always hits her head on.
Hi, darling.
How much for the food again?
They have them.
It is with Sharon.
It's now $4.50 for the burger box. $5.50 for the.
That's very lucky because it's 450 she have. You don't mind if I put you in the video, right?
No, darling.
Yes, yes. Head to toe. Looking like that. Go again. Yeah.
Is it fried chicken, right?
Anything.
Oh my god, I caught that one. That yarn is big though. Yes,
That's what happens when you're hungry. All I had for morning was a cup soup.
that's just it.
Good morning.
Good morning. Could I speak to Mrs. Riddle, please?
Oh,
It's recorded enough.
so when you turn on the light and it was.
I didn't turn on the light. I'm just pressing buttons here. Ciao. Yeah.
This is all I have in my name, guys, to buy food. And there's nowhere here to buy any food. And this can't buy any food anyways. I'm hungry. I think it's starting to affect the brain, you know? Yeah. And today is what? Thursday. And it is small. So I'll go out for Friday. I'm sorry, I'm going to borrow money from my mother. Mommy, let me unsure.
And cut.
Thanks for watching today's videos, Dizzlers. Please remember to like, share, comment, tell a friend, and subscribe. See you in the next video.